Welcome to the Aish Ventures, where stories come alive. Today's adventure is called The Sneezing Dragon. In a faraway forest lived a tiny dragon named Doodle, small and clumsy, with a very tickly nose. Unlike the mighty dragons of old tales who roared with fire and frightened villages, Doodle was nothing like them at all. Trying to roar like a real dragon, Doodle's nose twitched and he sneezed. Out popped a giant bubble that floated up and popped against a tree. Forest animals reacted with teasing giggles. Squirrels squeaked, owls hooted, and someone called him a bubble dragon. Doodle's wings drooped as he wished he could breathe fire like his ancestors. Walking through a meadow full of flowers, the pollen tickled his nose, and another sneeze burst out, showering the forest with fluffy popcorn. Animals feasted and played, rabbits nibbled, hedgehogs rolled, raccoons stuffed their cheeks, while Doodle sighed, thinking they were laughing at him, not cheering for him. Days passed in a playful pattern. Soap bubbles in the morning, popcorn at noon, and once even rainbow streamers tangled high in the treetops. The animals laughed as Doodle felt smaller inside. The forest prepared for the spring festival with dancing, songs, and lanterns ready to glow. Dark clouds rolled in, wind rose, fireflies struggled to shine, and the lanterns blew out. Everyone feared the festival would be ruined. Doodle's nose twitched again. He tried to hold back the sneeze, worried he would make things worse. He couldn't stop it. Achoo! And a storm of glittering confetti and shimmering bubbles exploded into the sky. Confetti and bubbles swirled and floated as the moonlight caught them, casting sparkling colors that lit the clearing brighter than lanterns. The forest fell silent in wonder, then erupted in joy. "It's magical!" whispered the deer, while the squirrels shouted that it was the best festival ever. Doodle lifted his little head, pride warming his chest as he realized his sneeze had saved the festival. From that day, no one mocked him. The animals lovingly called him Doodle the Magic Dragon. Moral: what makes you different can also make you special. Doodle's sneezes weren't a weakness. They were a gift that made the forest brighter and happier. Did this story spark an idea for you? We'd love to hear it. Send us the name and details of a character or any creative ideas you have for our next adventure. Your imagination could be a part of our next story. Email thetheaishventures@gmail.com and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any adventure in future.